and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and in today's video I'm going to show you some lip swatches. It was a request video on the Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle lipsticks. They're so beautiful, very comfortable to wear on the lips, and I'm definitely going to pick up some more. So let's go ahead and show you these beauties on the lips. So that's everything to my video. If you have any questions, leave them down below, or any comments. You know I like to see your comments. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. If you enjoyed this video, give me a huge thumbs up so I can see that and pump out more videos for you. Thank you, lovelies, for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!